Dear students, welcome to SSR Academy of IIT Foundation in Mathematics YouTube channel. In the previous sessions, we discussed the divisibility rules. Now, in this session, we are going to discuss some of the problems related with divisibility rules. Number one, now we are going to discuss the problems. First problem is number of possible values of, number of possible values of x in 4, 5x is divisible by 2. This is the first problem. In this, number of possible values of x in 4, 5x is divisible by 2. Here, the divisibility rule for 2 is all even numbers are divisible by 2, and always all even numbers end with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. So, in this, the given number is a 3-digit number. In this number, 4, 5 are 2 digits and the other digit is x. So, we must replace x by a single digit number. So, that is from 0 to 9 only. So, from 0 to 9, we substitute in the place of x, which the value of x is divisible by 2. So, the possible values of x which are divisible by 2 are, first we substitute x equal to 0, then we get 450. This is the first number. So, 450 is an even number, so it is divisible by 2. Next, if we substitute x equal to 1, it is not divisible by 2 since it is an odd number. Next, if we substitute x equal to 2, we get even number, so it is divisible by 2. Next, 453 not divisible by 2. 454 divisible by 2. 455 not divisible. 456 divisible. 457 not divisible. 458 divisible. 459 not divisible. So, cannot substitute x equal to 10 since x is a single digit number. So, now the possible values of x which 4, 5, x is divisible by 2 are 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. So, we write the possible values of x are the possible values of x in 4, 5x is divisible by 2 are, what are the possible values? 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Therefore, number of possible values equal to 5. This is the first problem. Next, we go to second problem. The least value of x, the least value of x in 5, 7x, 5 is divisible by 3. So, in this number, so this number containing 4 digits, 5, 7, x, 5. So, if in the divisibility rule for 3 is the sum of the digits in a number is divisible by 3, then we say that the number is divisible by 3. So, here first we have to add these digits. So, sum of the digits in the number, sum of the digits equal to, we add these numbers 5 plus 7 plus x plus 5, that is equal to 12 plus 5 is 17 plus x. So, now we have to find the least value of x. 17 plus x is divisible by 3. Then the required answer is the least value of x in 5, 7, x5 is divisible by 3. So, first we substitute the values of x from 0 to 9 in this, which is divisible by 3. So, first we substitute x equal to 0, then we get 17 plus 0 is 17, which is not divisible by 3. So, we substitute 17 plus 0, that is equal to 17, not divisible by 3. 17 plus 1, 18, divisible by 3. Next 17 plus 2, 19, not divisible by 3. 17 plus 3, 20, not divisible by 3. 17 plus 4, 21, divisible by 3. 17 plus 5 equal to 22, not divisible by 3. 17 plus 6 is 23, not divisible. 17 plus 7, 24, divisible by 3. 17 plus 8, 25, not divisible. 17 plus 9, 26, not divisible. So, this is a rough idea. Next we have to substitute these values. For which values of x? 17 plus x is divisible by 3. For the values of x, 1, x equal to 1, x equal to 4, x equal to 7 and x equal to, this is last 7. So, the possible values of x, the possible values of x in 5, 7, x 5 is divisible by 3 are, so x equal to 1, 4, 7. These are the 3 digits. Either we substitute x equal to 1 or 4 or 7, the number is divisible by 3. Of these, the smallest is the required problem. Problem is least value of x. Therefore, the least value of x is equal to 1. Next we go to third problem. That is the greatest value of x. Greatest value of x in, the greatest value of x in 4x, 5x, 3 is divisible by 3. So, here the given number is a 5-digit number. Of them we know 3 digits, 4, 5, 3 are known digits, and unknown digits, 2 unknown equal digits, x, x. So, if we substitute x equal to 0, we substitute 0 in 2 places and sum of them is divisible by 3, then we say that the number is divisible by 3. So, first we write sum of the digits. Sum of the digits equal to 4 plus x plus 5 plus x plus 3, that is equal to 4 plus 5 is 9, 12 plus 2x. Next, now we have to substitute the values of x from 0 to 9, which 12 plus 2x is divisible by 3. So, if we substitute x equal to 0, then 12 plus 0 is 12. It is divisible by 3. So, the possible values of x, possible values of x are, so first possible value is if x equal to 0, then the sum of these two is 12 plus 0 is 12, which is divisible by 3. Next, if we substitute x equal to 1, we get 12 plus 2, 14, that is not divisible by 3. 12 plus 4, 12 plus 4 is 16, not divisible by 3. So, if you substitute x equal to 6, so we write this as 12 plus 2 into 0, 12 plus 2 into 1, 12 plus 2 into 2, 12 plus 2 into 3, 12 plus 2 into 4, 12 plus 2 into 5, 12 plus 2 into 6, 12 plus 2 into 7, 12 plus 2 into 8 and 12 plus 2 into 9. So, when we substitute x equal to 0, we get to 12, which is divisible by 3. And this is not divisible by 3 since we get 14 as its sum. And it is 16. and it is 12 plus 2 3s 6, 18. So it is divisible by 3. And 2 4s 8. This is 20, which is not divisible by 3. And this sum is 22, not divisible by 3. 12 plus 12, 24, divisible by 3. 12 plus 14, 26, not divisible by 3. 12 plus 16, 28, not divisible by 3. Next, 12 plus 18 is 30, divisible by 3. So, for the values of x, either 0 or 3 or 6 or 9. Of these values of x, the given number is divisible by 3. Therefore, the greatest possible value of x is equal to 9. So, this is the third problem. Next, fourth, number of possible values of x in number of possible values of x in 7 3 5x is divisible by 4. So this is the next problem. Number of possible values of x in 7 3 5x is divisible by 4. So the divisibility rule for 4 is the last 2 digits of a number is divisible by 4. Then we say that the number is divisible by 4. Otherwise, we say that the number is not divisible by 4. But here given the number is divisible by 4 already. So we have to find the values of x, which are possible values. Possible values of x means when we substitute x equal to from 0 to 9, which the number is divisible by 4. So those are possible values. So here first we substitute x equal to 0, x equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. We can substitute the values of x from 0 to 9 only, since x is a single digit number. So if we substitute x equal to 0, then we get 5 0. 5 0 is 50. It is not divisible by 4. So the possible values of x 50, we substitute x equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are the numbers. When we substitute x equal to 0 to 9, in this we get 2 digit numbers. These are the 2 digit numbers from this number. When we substitute x equal to 0 to 9, of these, which of these are divisible by 4? So here 52 is the first number. That means when we substitute x equal to 2, then the number is divisible by 4. Next, 56 is the another number. So when we substitute x equal to 2 and x equal to 6 only, then the number 735x is divisible by 4. So we write the possible values of x are, the possible values of x are equal to 2, 6. So number of possible values. How many possible values are there? There are 2 possible values. Those are 2 and 6. Therefore, number of possible values equal to 2. This is the fourth problem. Next we go to fifth problem. Number of possible values of x in 7x520 is divisible by 5. So here find the number of possible values of x in 7x520 is divisible by 5. So we know that this number is divisible by 5 since this number containing 0 in its place. So the divisibility rule for 5 is, if any number containing either 0 or 5 in its units place, then we say that it is divisible by 5. So here this number containing 0 in its unit place, so it is divisible by 5. So but now in this problem we are going to find number of possible values of x. So we can substitute any value of x from 0 to 9. This number is divisible by 5. So the possible values of x are, the possible values of x in 7x520 is divisible by 5, or so we can substitute x equal to 0, then the number is divisible by 5, and x equal to 1 also divisible by 5, 2 also divisible by 5, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. For these values we substitute in the place of x, then this number is divisible by 5. So therefore number of possible values is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there are 10 possible values of x when 7x520 is divisible by 5. Next we go to 6th problem. That is, the smallest value of x in 6x32 is divisible by 9. So the divisible rule for 9 is also, if the sum of the digits in a number is divisible by 9, then the number is divisible by 9. So we write sum of the digits equal to 6 plus x plus 3 plus 2. That is equal to 6 plus 3, 9 plus 2, 11 plus x, 11 plus x. Now for which values of x 11 plus x is divisible by 9 is our problem. So here the smallest value of x. Now if we substitute x equal to 0, that is we get 11. 11 plus 0 is 11. 11 plus 1 is 12. 11 plus 2 is 13. 11 plus 3 is 14. 11 plus 4 is 15. 11 plus 5 is 16. 11 plus 6 is 17. 11 plus 7 is 18. And 11 plus 8 is 19. 11 plus 9 equal to 20. Now when we substitute x equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, we get these numbers. Of these, the numbers only 18 is the number which is divisible by 7 only, 9 only. So these numbers are not divisible by 9 except 18. So the smallest value are possible values. The possible values of x in 6x32 is divisible by 9 is or. So here only 7 is the digit only when this number is divisible by 9. Therefore there is only one number, it is, we take it as smallest or greatest number. So the smallest value of x is equal to 7 only. So this is the 6th problem. Next, 7th. If 7, 3, x, 4, 5, 2 is divisible by 11, then x equal to dash, or find x. So for which value of x the given number is divisible by 11. So we already know that the divisibility rule for 11 is the sum of the digits in odd places is equal to sum of the digits in even places, or difference between them is a multiple of 11, then we say that the number is divisible by 11. Here also the given number is 73x452. So we write given number is equal to 73x452. Now we give the places, odd places, even places from right side of the number. So we write this is first number, second number, third, fourth, 5, 6. So the digits in odd places are 5, 2, 4, 3 are the digits in odd places, and the digits in even places are 5, x, 7 are the digits in even places. So already given number is divisible by 11. Given the number is divisible by 11, then the condition is sum of odd places equal to sum of even places. So odd places is 2 plus 4 plus 3 equal to even places 5 plus x plus 7. So 2 plus 4 is 6 plus 3 9 equal to, this is 5 plus 7 is 12 plus x. Now for which value the given problem is, if this number is divisible by 11, then x equal to dash. So here this is not possible, since these two numbers are not equal when we substitute any number of any positive number of x. So the difference between them is also a multiple of 11. To find the difference between these two, that is 12 plus x plus x minus 9 equal to, we equate it to 11, then 12 plus x minus 9 equal to 11, x plus 12 minus 9 is 3 equal to 11, x equal to 11 minus 3 equal to 8. So when these two are equal, the possible value of x here is not possible value. There is no possible value of x when we substitute the values of x as from 0 to 9. So we find the difference between them is 11, then the number is divisible by 11. So 12 plus x and minus 9 equal to 11. Then from this we write x equal to 8. When we substitute x equal to 8, then this number is divisible by 11. Suppose we write x equal to 8, 7, 3, 8, 4, 5, 2. So odd places, even places. So 2 plus 4 plus 3. 2 plus 4 plus 3 is 4 plus 2, 6, 9. And the remaining are 5, 8, 7. 7 plus 8 plus 5 equal to, this is 20, and the difference between them is 11, which is multiple of 11. So the given number is divisible by 11. In sometimes these two are equal. Here in this situation 12 plus x is already greater than 9. So we cannot substitute the values of x from 0 to 9 to equate it. So this is the 7th problem. Next 8th, if 4x5y37 is divisible by 11, then the relation between x and y is dash. So in this, first we write the given number 4x5y37. Now we write the numbers from right to left to find the odd places and even places of the number. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here the digits in odd places are 7, y, x, and the digits in even places are 3, 5, 4. So already given it is divisible by 11. So sum of odd places equal to sum of even places. Sum of odd places is 7, y, x. So 7 plus y plus x equal to Even places 3 plus 5 plus 4. 3 plus 5 plus 4. Now here x plus y equal to sum of these 3. 3 plus 5 is 8 plus 4 is 12. And transposing plus 7 from LHS to RHS, we write it as minus 7. 12 minus 7 is 5. So x plus 5 y equal to 5. This is the relation between x and y when the given number is divisible by 11. So these are the problems which we discussed in this session. In the next session we go to next topic. Thank you.